Hey guys, it's me again, Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair, and this time we're demonstrating a Chrysler AM-8 track out of a '69 Plymouth Roadrunner. This comes from Kaiser Brothers. They are a Chrysler dealership in looks like Muncie, Pennsylvania. Their official name is Kaiser Brothers CDJR, which I will assume stands for Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram, because they also sell Jeeps. So they've requested the modern FM conversion with no extra bells and whistles, just the basic FM conversion. So let's go ahead and turn it on. I've got it set to AM to the one strong station I get at the moment, and we'll turn on and test the functions before we send her back. So there's our AM, and we're going to need our speaker level meters for this. Check the balance. Balance left.
We're Phillips Law Group, proud
balance
sponsor
right.
of your Arizona Cardinals.
Left. Right.
Just like the Cardinals, our Arizona team, we
up.
help accident injury victims throughout the state.
Okay,
when an unexpected
now we
injury
also have a
goes
front rear fader that's in the tone
insurance
control,
company has you backed up
and you
against
activate the
your
front
own
rear
line.
fader by turning the tone
Remember
control
Phillips Law
upwards
Group,
twice.
standing
So
up
let's
for
try
the
that.
Arizona Cardinals.
Fader adjust.
Okay, so now we use the same control to adjust our front rear speaker balance all the way front, all the way rear, front, and rear. Okay, I'm going to center them again. Fader is set. Okay, now let's switch over to FM, which we do by turning the unit off and then right back on within about half a second. So here we go. Off, on. Now we're on FM, and we'll just run it down the dial. Make sure we pick up some FM stations.
Pasar por tus boletos o deseas llamar para preguntar informes.
Yeah, we don't need this stuff anymore.
FM is
Just have beef left, you can still get...
J-Dog just might have the career.
Supposed to mow the grass. Laugh out when you're struggling.
All right, let's try a tape. Got some Neil Sedaka here. You're going to change tracks a bunch of times?
Put the blues on the run. Shopping around for a maid. Wanna listen to the rumors that you start.
Alrighty. Pull the tape out and the radio comes back. And you might notice that the 8-track's quite a bit louder than the radio. That's to bring out the brightness. And the only thing left to check is the dial light, which you can see flashing on and off through that opening right there as I press and release the button. So everything is working correctly. She's ready to go back, and I'm ready to get on to the next job. I'm Barry with Barry's 8-Track and Classic Car Radio Repair. And if you'd like to reach me for service, please visit the website that's in the description below and print out a work order. That will answer all your questions about my options, prices, and turn times. That saves me a good 15 minutes on the phone for each new customer who calls, allows me to stay on the bench and put out top quality workmanship. So please do visit my website before calling me with a bunch of questions. And thanks so much for watching, listening, and thank you to the Kaiser Brothers for their business all the way from Muncie, Pennsylvania. And we'll see you guys next time.